Andrew here at Food Overboard, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite dishes, fish and chips. Today we're going to be using cod. Traditionally it's haddock. You can also use halibut, any catfishes, tilapia, and walleye. First thing what we're going to do is we're going to pat dry this fish. I'm going to show you something. I'm deep frying in a wok. I've got some oil in here. Turned it to about medium-low. And this is how you test for the right temperature of deep frying, with a bamboo skewer. Place your bamboo skewer right into the wok. You see those little bubbles? That means your deep fryer is ready. That's it, all done. Now we're ready to eat. What, did you guys think this was actually really beer? Cheers. So good. See you next time.